Hi, Best Buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today is another Scrap Buster. We're going to make clusters, but first let's have our shout out to Joan, Amu, Zara, Irene, Sweet Tea Whimsy, Crafty One, Leanne, and Marlene. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is what I did. I went to my scraps. These are cardstock. And I got scraps that were, I think this is my biggest one, anywhere from 4 by 4. What is this one? This one's 3 by 3. And I just got them compiled. Then I evened them up so they're straight. And some are rectangles, some are squares. Then what I did was I rounded their corners and I inked them. Now you don't have to ink the back, just need to ink the front. I inked them all up and then I kind of put them in their sizes. So you could really do a mass make doing it this way. So let's go ahead and let's set these aside and let's go ahead and let's make some. So I'm just going to pop those right over here. Now I have my scraps that I went through the other day. I got them all sized up. They're all here with all my pieces, the smaller pieces, not the larger ones. So let's make one this size. Isn't that pretty? I think this is a chapter 1 scrap. And I've got some little pieces right here. I have some lace. Let's see here. I've got some lace and I've got some cotton that's frayed. And let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do. Let's just go ahead and start laying this down. I think that's the best thing to do. So I'm just going to add, I need another glue stick. All right, we've got that glue stick all in, ready to go. I'm just going to lay this nice piece of lace right here, and I'm just going to turn it over on my glass mat, and that just helps get it all stuck down. And let's just start building. Let's build maybe something like that. I love using up my scraps. I can get overrun with scraps. I'm sure that y'all can get overrun too, and I don't like it because it just makes everything harder when you're digging through all your stuff and you can't find what you want because you've got all these pieces and all these things happening. So I really like, ooh, I like that down there, using up the scraps. And that's what these last few projects have been. I've been trying to use up my scraps, so I decided to bring all of y'all along. I don't know if I like that one because I really like that brightness. I think I want that one down there. Let's just put it right on this ribbon right here. And I've got a little tiny piece of eyelash yarn. Just little scraps here and there. I think I'll just put some glue there and maybe some glue there and maybe right up there. I'll get me a pin and I will help with the pin to stick it into the glue. Maybe. And stick it right over here. Maybe something like that. Oh, it's stuck to my finger now. There we go. All right, let's see how that's looking. I'm liking that. I've got this. I think that's pretty as well. But do I want that? Or do I want maybe some little tiny flowers or maybe a bigger flower? Don't really like that one. Well, I like that one down there. Maybe this is okay down there. Sorta, kind of, sorta. I've got glue all over my fingers. Oh, maybe this going down this way. Oh, I kind of like that. How about if we turn it this way? Or if we put that in the middle? Nope. How about if we put a blue piece in the middle. Let's look at this. That's not bad. I don't mind that. I'm thinking maybe we need a number or something right down here. That's what I think. I have quite a few, this isn't my numbers, here they are. I have quite a few examples that I'll show you at the end. And let's get our numbers. These are Shabby Dabby Doo-Dah numbers. And I don't know, I wish I had printed them out on cardstock. That was my wish that I had done, that I have not done. So next time when I print these out, I will definitely use cardstock. I don't know why that's exactly the same as that. I was looking for a black one, but I don't see a black one. So let's just continue on. And we're going to bring in, see if I can do this. Last time I tried to do this with a piece of regular copy paper, I messed it up. So I'm not sure if I can get this done or not. But I'm sure going to try. It's harder for me to do it on regular copy paper because it bends. But I think this will look cute right down there. Okay, I like that. And I do think it needs a little inking on top. Some vintage photo. All right. Oops. Whoopsie, whoopsie. Let's bring in our glue, our Tombow glue, and let's just get this right here. Okay, that's looking good. I like that. It's kind of crooked though. Straighten it up. And let's get this on here. So I'm going to put this little piece of scrap right here. I think I better glue that down. Whoops. And all this glue. And I'm going to go ahead and glue that right there. And I'm going to grab this and put it right in the middle. Oh my goodness, isn't that sweet? I find that to be very sweet. Now you could use it as a cluster on a page. You could use it on a piece of ephemera. So it's very versatile and really nice to have, especially if you're making a journal and you find that things are going real slow. Just grab them out and you can put it together in no time. Now I have another piece here, and it's this, and I thought that would work great for a fall journal. So let's get this one together. I've got a piece of orange cotton that has frayed edges, and let's just get our glue down so we can attach that. And I thought maybe I'd like to just add that right along the edge as well. So let's get this glue on here. And whoa, that's a little awkward for me. Okay, there we go. We got that on. Now, let's see. Let's add this little piece. I'm not sure which way I want to add it. Oh, maybe right up there on top like that. Do I want it this way or this way? I think I want it that way. Okay. I have a piece of string on there. I want to get that off. All right. So let's see. I have a safety pin. Oops, let me get all this glue away. With a little bobble. Isn't that sweet? And I thought that this would be lovely if we just attached it right here, like something like that. Oh, I like that a lot. Then I also have this little piece that I think I might like to, this glue pieces. That's the only thing about a glue gun is all the string, but there's always something about glue. I mean, always. Do we even like that? I don't know. Maybe down here lower. Maybe something like this. I do and I don't. Yeah, I do. I think that looks sweet down there. So I'm going to just see if I can't get this on here without gluing everything wrong. There. There. That will work perfectly. Now, do we want something else maybe? Maybe a flower? It's already got the little bauble. I do like that flower. Here's a darker one. Oh, I like the darker one better. How about we use that? So I'm going to get this glued on here like this. And I don't know that it needs anything else. I think that's very sweet. So there's this one that we made and this one that we made. Now let's go ahead and look at some others that I've made and put together. All the strings. Here's this one. It's different, isn't it? It was a different scrap. And then there's this one. This is a tiny one. Well, come on now. This is a very tiny one. Here's a green one. Here's a beautiful blue one. And a pink one with some rickrack. There's one like this. And then there's another blue one. Oh my goodness, these are so much fun to make, and you can easily mass make them. You guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.